Well, friends, we people have understood that how exactly we can draw the vector diagram for transformer on a no load when it is the ideal one. Fine. But when I say it is not at all possible to get the ideal transformer, so when you say practical transformer, there are certain things we have to consider into it. So now I'm going to remove this ideal transformer and we're going to learn transformer on no load, or that is a practical transformer on no load. So when I say practical transformer, guys, what we are going to consider? So see, I2 is 0, it is on no load, I2 is 0. But when this V1 is supplying this primary turns N or primary of the transformer, what will happen? Some current is flowing. Naturally, V1 into I1 power is consumed into it. Fine. And that power is useless power, because it is not supplying into the load. Output is 0 and there still we have some input. Fine, we still have some input and output is equal to 0. So we can say that entire input is equal to loss. So what are those losses? So there are three types of losses we are going to consider over here. See, first one, this is a winding, this is a copper winding, it is having its own resistance. So I1 square R1, fine, I1 square R1, little copper loss that it has to supply. Fine, okay. Second कौन सा loss होने वाला है यहाँ पे? We will be having magnetic losses. One is hysteresis loss, one is a eddy current loss. So both the losses will occur into the transformer. So we can say that there are total 3 losses that one current component should be supplying. Fine, one current component should be supplying the losses. Matlab it's a power component, watt component, or we can say that it is denoted by IC, core loss component. Fine, okay, IC. ठीक है, ओके. दूसरा कंपोनेंट क्या होता है? विच डेवलप्स द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड जनरेट करने के लिए कौन सा कंपोनेंट चाहिए? विच इज 90 डिग्री परपेंडिकुलर टू द वोल्टेज. दैट कंपोनेंट जनरेट्स द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. सो विल बी हैविंग वन कंपोनेंट विच इज मैग्नेटाइजिंग करंट एंड वन इज लॉस करंट. इज इट क्लियर? फाइन. सो लेट अस मॉडल दिस थिंग. हमने पहले क्या किया? वी हैव सीन अ ideal transformer, then we are going towards the practicality of it. Fine, okay. So we are considering its internal resistance, we are considering core losses, we are considering hysteresis and eddy current losses, which are core losses. So we have to model the transformer in a way that now we are giving V1 supply, suppose V1 I have given, ठीक है. जो लॉस होता है पावर लॉस सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्योर रेजिस्टिव सर्किट में होता है. क्लियर? फाइन. क्योंकि प्योर इंडक्टिव सर्किट एवरेज पावर 0, प्योर कैपेसिटिव सर्किट एवरेज पावर 0. फाइन. सो वी कैन से दैट वी आर हैविंग वन कोर कंपोनेंट, कोर लॉस कंपोनेंट, विच इज इन दिस डायरेक्शन इन फेज विद वोल्टेज. तभी जाके वो पावर लॉस हो सकता है. फाइन. सो वी हैव गॉट वन IC component, fine, this is denoted by IC component, and one is magnetizing component. Magnetic field कौन generate करता है? कि जो उसको perpendicular होता है, exactly perpendicular होता है. तो we have got this magnetizing component IM. Fine. So we can say that the net current which is flowing in primary is I0. This is my no load current. Is it clear? This is my no load current. Okay. So now यहां पे लोड कनेक्ट हुआ या कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ, इतना करंट तो जाने ही वाला है. ऑलवेज दिस मच अमाउंट ऑफ करंट इज गोना फ्लो. फाइन. मतलब यहां से ट्रांसफार्मर का इक्विवेलेंट सर्किट हम लोग बना सकते हैं कि ट्रांसफार्मर में आउटपुट में करंट नहीं है, आउटपुट में करंट नहीं जा रहा है. तो यहां पे हमने क्या मॉडल किया उसका? वी हैव मॉडल्ड उसका आर है कुछ तो इसका इंडक्टेंस है, और बाद में यहां पे प्राइमरी का अगर मैं सर्किट बनाता हूं और यहां पे सेकेंडरी बनाता हूं, सो सी इफ आई कनेक्ट इट दिस वे, सम करंट इज फ्लोइंग इनटू इट. Some current is flowing into it. So that current is the loss current that I have over here. Fine. Okay. So is it clear? We are going to see this thing in detail. Don't worry if you're not understanding. Fine. So this is my no load current. And it is lagging behind the voltage by some angle which is phi 0. Fine. So I can say that Im, which is equal to I0 sine phi 0. Fine. And we have got IC, which is I0 cos phi 0. So we can, so I can even calculate magnetizing current, I can even calculate core component of the loss component of the current. Fine. So we have got M by IC, which is equal to I0 cancel, sine by cos, which is tan phi 0. So we can also calculate no load power factor angle, which is phi 0, which is equal to tan inverse Im divided by IC. And we know this value, we can also calculate I0. So I0 basically is equal to square root of IC square plus Im square. Is it clear? Any doubt in this? Fine. So this is where we have got the vector diagram. यहाँ पे will be having our V2, E2, whatever. But the most important part is this. Fine. So we've understood current will never be like this. No load current will never be like this. It will be like this. Fine. Because it is going to supply all the losses and it is also going to develop magnetic field. Fine. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? सिर्फ magnetic field develop कर रहा है. Losses है ही नहीं. So it's a very ideal one. Fine. वैसा केस नहीं होता है. Is it clear? Any doubt in this? Fine. चलो लिखो.